IoT and Manufacturing, the automation generation. Internet of Things, or IoT, is a term we hear a lot of lately, and it rightly deserves the free press. Just about everything we have can connect to the internet. If it was built after 2001, it probably has a network interface card in it. Hi, I'm Barbara, a mechanical engineering and cybersecurity major at Gwinnett Technical College. I will be your narrator for today. In this presentation, we will be discussing what is IoT, the benefits of IoT, Industry 4.0, and IoT and manufacturing. Also known as Network of Things by the National Institute of Standards Technology, IoT is a collection of sensors, aggregators, communication channels, external utilities, and decision triggers that connect to a larger infrastructure, providing large amounts of data collected at each point on the network. This allows for advanced communication we term smart communication. Connected items are no longer isolated to your phones, laptops, and iPads. Almost anything and everything can be a communication device. This is mainly due to what is called a network interface card, or NIC. The network interface card is an electronic communications device that allows anything that has one installed in it to communicate across a wireless or wired network. Have you checked your kitchen lately? Stoves and refrigerators now have their own personal area networks in your home. Washers and dryers, televisions, security systems, landscape lighting, and your utility meters. All of these items can connect to or with something or someone over the internet, providing all kinds of sensory and communication data about location, usage, and surroundings. The largest benefit of IoT is the huge amounts of data that can be connected real time. This is important to the manufacturing industry because companies can guarantee more accurate information and are able to respond to disasters and make decisions much faster than prior non connected systems of communication. Things that can be improved include quality control, asset performance, supply chain traceability, energy management, predictive maintenance, safety, and efficiency. There's a lot of power in IoT, and its key is connectivity. Another added benefit of IoT is automation. Automation has received a negative response at times, being blamed for replacing human capital, allowing companies to not have to pay payroll taxes, insurance benefits, 401k matches, and the like. But this drastically reduces overhead, not to mention the amount of space needed to legally operate the facility. Automation provides for a reduction in real estate taxes and increases energy efficiency. Additionally, automation creates a niche and need for specialized engineers, technicians, and mechanics. These jobs require highly skilled individuals who can demand extremely high wages and salaries as a direct result of such a specific need. What if losing your cell phone could mean disabling the power grid to a small country? The possibility of that being reality is not too far off in the age of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the fourth generation or phase of the Industrial Revolution, focusing on connectivity, automation, machine learning, and real time data. It uses what is known as IoT and smart manufacturing. According to Epicor.com, unlike traditional IoT, most consumers use IoT Industry 4.0, connecting mission critical machines over a wireless network. This can empower businesses with one of the fastest and most expensive commodities of our time: big data. Using a manufacturing execution system, network admins can grab the data connected from the machines in an organized fashion and present it in a way that makes sense to stakeholders and other groups of decision makers in the manufacturing industry. According to IBM, Industry 4.0 allows the application of machine learning algorithms to detect issues and errors almost immediately, garnering a savings of millions, even billions of dollars per day for many companies. All this connectivity and communication yields what IBM calls smart factories, kind of like your smartphone, on which some of these machines can be managed using Industry 4.0. GPS is improved, and video is no longer just surveillance, but intelligent. Robotics allow for remote supervision that increases safety and reduces downtime. For example, a robotic arm can send out a message of needing repair or that the battery is in need of a recharge. The supervisor can then receive and control what happens next from his or her mobile device. IoT and Industry 4.0 have proven to be a marriage as perfect as hardware and software, providing benefits such as increase in availability and operating expenses reductions. With rapid rise and growth of Internet of Things, there is virtually no limit to where IoT can take the manufacturing and industrial sectors. Contact learn-tech.net for more information and informational videos on IoT and manufacturing. Thanks for listening.